Hey Spoolies, it's Myers with Urban Spools, and today we are going to be making an animal ears headband. First things first, we're going to grab some fabric, we're going to fold it in half, and we will start making a little template of what shape animal ear that we would like. Today we did a little bit of a curved triangle to resemble any sort of animal that you would like. Just making it so it's nice and big and that it can be seen on the headband. And then next you're going to fold that fabric in half again, making it into, you'll have 4 different pieces of fabric, and you can just go ahead and cut that. But there is a fold, so you don't want to cut on the fold, but you just want to cut around, and that way you're going to have the same pieces all the way around. Once you have your pieces, you're going to fold them wrong sides together, and you're going to stitch all along the edge, but you're not going to stitch it all the way down because we're going to leave a little opening so that way it can slide onto our headband. And we're just pinning this right here so that way we can know where to stop and to start when we bring it over to the machine. Then we're going to bring it to the machine, and we're going to remember to back stitch at the beginning and the end. And we're just going to top stitch all along the top to give it a nice finished look when we slide our ear on to our headband. And then you're just going to position it anywhere that you would like and just fold it up. And then you're going to repeat that on the other side, and then you're done.